This sentence correction question tests two error types. One is number agreement and the second one word usage. As with all SE questions, let's do one thing. Let's do a vertical scan of the answer options. Mark the differences. Use those differences to eliminate answer options iteratively and arrive at the correct answer. Spotting the first difference between answer options ABC and DE, I see have succeeded in ABC and has succeeded in D and E. Have is the plural form of the auxiliary verb and has is the singular form. So we know that we are talking about a number agreement here. When we come to eliminate, we'll look at whether it should be singular or plural. Right now, let's spot the second difference. The second difference is the placement of this word once. In answer option A, B, D, and E, notice that it is placed after have. Who might have once thought is what we have in all of these four options. C is the only one which is an outlier here. It is in the once is placed in the fashion where it says who once might have thought. Let's check out which of these placements is appropriate or whether it will even make a difference. Let's come to it in a while. The third difference that I'm spotting is the way this in buying is written. In two of the answer options, it's mentioned as in buying and leasing. And three other answer options, which are B, C, and D, we have it as to buy and lease. Let's check out which is idiomatically appropriate. Let's get started with the number agreement issue at hand. Who or what have or has succeeded? That's a question we need to ask. In the US, German luxury brands is plural. Brands is plural. So the verb should also be in the plural form, which means the auxiliary verb that we are using should be have and should not be has. So we can eliminate answer options D and E. In one go, we have gotten rid of two answer options. Let's focus on the remaining three. I'm going to start with the idiomatic usage of in buying or to buy. Because answer option A has it as in buying. The remaining two have it as to buy. Let's check out what makes sense. How does it work? It says have succeeded in getting someone to do something. In getting X to do Y is the idiomatically appropriate usage. Which means in getting people in buying and leasing is incorrect usage of the idiomatic expression. So let's eliminate answer option A on account of this. Now we are down to the last two. 50-50 chance at this level. It basically boils down to where should this once be placed? That's the only difference we are seeing. Once in this particular usage, what is the meaning that we get? At one point in time, the US people found these luxury brands to be out of their league. But they are not thinking about it right now. So the meaning that it carries here is at a time in the past, but not now. What is the placement of the word such as once already? There are multiple ways it can be placed depending upon the scenario. If we just have one main verb, right, it will be placed between the subject and the main verb, right? If it is just, let us say, buy, it would be placed between the subject and buy. If we have a modal verb or an auxiliary verb, modal verbs are verbs such as would, will, might. Auxiliary verbs are verbs such as have, has. It would be placed after those. If there is only one be verb, something like a was, is, were, that kind of stuff, it will be placed after that. So what do we have here? We have a modal verb. We have an auxiliary verb, so it should be placed after those two, which means answer option C, where it is placed before those two, the modal and the auxiliary verb, is incorrect. Eliminate answer option C. Choice B is the correct answer to the question. Before you leave, do three things. One, sign up as a trial user for GMAT online course, Visaco's GMAT online course at wzko.in/core. Get started with statistics and average. Get momentum to your GMAT preparation. Pay and convert it into a paid user to get access to the remaining topics. Two other things that you can do. One, subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/Visaco, and turn on notification. Lastly, there is one other thing that you can do. You can join as a member of this channel, which is different from subscribing to this channel. There's a small monthly fee to pay to join as a member. You get some member-only perks which are not available for all subscribers. Click on the join button. Even before you pay, you'll get a listing of the member-only perks. Those member-only perks will help give a boost to your GMAT preparation. Best wishes.